Hey Travis kiddos, coming at you with some challenge math problems. So, my first challenge math problem is about a few students. So, Nicholas, Ileana, and Zuri. They each have 3 cards, and each of those cards has a number on it. Each of those kids, the 3 cards they have, the numbers add up to 100. But all of the cards have 10s on them. So it's either 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay? So it can't be 37 and it can't be 99 and 1 and 0. Okay? You can use 0 as a 10 if you want. And you can reuse a number. You don't have to do it without reusing numbers. You can try if you want. But see if you can figure out what numbers each kid has. Now, I know there are a lot of rules to this. Each kid has a different set of cards. So like I said, the numbers can repeat, but they have to be 10s. They have to add up to 100 for each kid. And each kid has a different set of 3 cards. So this is a problem where you might get a different answer than someone else. You might be able to come up with multiple solutions here. Have fun with it. Let me get you a little bit on your way here. I'll get you started. So what if Nicholas, what if his 3 cards were 20, it's a set of 10s, 30, let's see if you can figure out, what would be the last card Nicholas has? So we're using 10s, and remember, his 3 cards have to equal 100 altogether. What would his 3rd card be? So we have 20 and 30. Those together make 50. 2 10s and 3 10s. So how much more do we need to make 100? We have 50. We have 5 10s. We need to get to 10 10s. We need 5 more 10s, or 50. So Nicholas could, if maybe you've already solved it with something else, but that could be one set of cards. Now, Ileana and Zuri could have one card with 20 or 30 or 50, but they cannot have this exact same 3 cards. Okay, they can't have the same set of those 3 cards. See if you can come up with a solution. You can put your answer in the comments, or you can send me an email with how you solved it. Okay? And thank you for letting me use your names, Nicholas, Ileana, and Zuri. I have another problem. If you were not able to join us for the challenge Zoom, or if you just want to try it, I have another problem for you. Now, this problem has 2 number sentences, and we have specific numbers you have to use in order to solve it. Even if you were on the challenge Zoom today, see if you can solve it again, okay? So here we have, or maybe the Zoom was yesterday, depends on when you're watching this. So here we have 2 problems, but you have to use the same 3 numbers for each problem. Your numbers are 14, 13, and 7. So see if you can use these 3 numbers to make this sentence correct. Use the same 3 numbers to make this sentence correct. Can you figure it out? Can you find more than one solution to this problem? Can you find more than one solution to this problem? Can you find more than 2 solutions using these 3 numbers to solve it? See what you can figure out. And if you would like to add something to this, if you want to just figure out your own number sentences and get creative with it, I know some people were doing that, finding just any combination of numbers to make, to put in these spots with using the subtraction, the addition, and getting to this number at the end. Go for it. A challenge is designed to be difficult. It is designed for you to struggle. It is okay to struggle. It's not comfortable, but it's okay. And when we do that, we start thinking of all different things we could do, a ton of different strategies, different ways to find solutions, different numbers or things we could do, and it makes our brains grow, makes us smarter. Okay? So don't just rush for help, don't just give up. Try your best. Try different ways to figure it out, different strategies. See if you can find different solutions. Don't just stop at the first one. Okay? Have fun with it and happy learning.